Namaste and welcome to the next episode of Clinical Ayurved. Myself, Dr. Mayuresh Agte. We were discussing Pran and Udan Gati and their actions according to Gati when we were discussing the Kas Vadi. So, Pran it takes from outside to inside, Anna, Shwasa, Indriyartha, and whatever body creates in the inside is expressed by the Udan, Va Pravritti Pratna Urja Balavarna Smruti Kriya. Again, Udan is have only expressive factor, it doesn't alters with the quantity of Bala, number of instances in the Smruti, or it doesn't alter with the Varna which is formed by Rat Dhatu. Hope you have understood these two Gati and their actions. So this subject was started when we were discussing Kasa Vyadhi Samprapti, and in Samprapti they have mentioned Prano hi Udananugataha. It Pranvayu follows Udan Vayu, and my question was why vice versa doesn't happen. It means Udano hi Prananugataha. It was the question, and from that moment we started the discussing Prana and Udangati and their actions. So if someone has taken ice cream in the winter season in a large quantity, so it will create Vata Prakop. Pran and Udan both will be Prakopit with the same intensity because Hetu is same. Then why it happens that Pran has to follow Udana Gati and it doesn't happen vice versa. Now, when we had discussed the karma of the Udan and Pran, I had told you that Udan is the custodian of all these things, Prayatna, Urja, Bala, Varna, Smruti, Kriya. So, whole body Bala of Sharira is under the custody of Udan Vayu. Bala of the Sharir is under custody of Udan Vayu. First thing. When Vata Prakop is there, though Pran and Udan both are Prakopit by that same Hetu, Udan is responsible for all these Bala, Sharira Bala, and hence it is a Balavana Vayu. First thing. Secondly, this Bala of Sharir, which is dependent on Udan Vayu, it makes Udan much more stronger, and that's why, because it is custodian of Bala, so this Udan Vayu makes Pran to flow in upward direction. Udan is responsible for the Bala what is present in the body, and hence it has got much more strength to dominate the other one, and this because Bala is in his control, so that Udan Vayu is Balavan, and that's why this Prakopit Udan, though Pran Udan are Prakopit by same Hetu, by same intensity, it makes Pranvayu to flow in the upward direction, and that's why Prano hi Udanugataha is the Samprapti happens in the Kasavedi. When I am mentioning this logic behind Prano hi Udanugataha, we have to apply it in other conditions also. That's why in Panchakarma, Vaman is more risky than other Panchakarma. In that regards, Vaman is little bit more risky than Virechan or Basti or Raktamokshan. Of course, every Panchakarma not followed with properly done, they are on they will produce some or other side effects, no doubt about it. But woman, as compared to other panchakarma, is more risky. If it doesn't, we can't have control on woman, patient can land into a serious condition. Why it happens? Why it happens? Because in woman we are dosha are shodhan of dosha are done in the upward direction by chardi, in the vomiting. Okay. Now, in this condition, you are provoking udan vayu. It has got upward direction already, and in vomiting or in woman by purva karma etc., you are inducing this woman by medicines, and in that case, for that gati of woman to get all this expelled out contents of the amashaya, for that gati you are provoking udan vayu, which itself is the balavan among others. So when you are going to provoke udan vayu, if it doesn't remain in our control, the woman vyapad are to be seen definitely. Hence, because of this provoking udan vayu condition, atiyog of woman is always dangerous, because you are provoking that vayu which is custodian of bala, so itself udan vayu is balavan because of this property, this function. Hence, in case also, though hetu is same for udan and pran, like eating ice cream or cold things in winter season, both are prokupit, but udan has more upper hand because of this bala function of udan vayu. Same happens in the woman also. You are provoking udan vayu, and so that balvan vayu, if doesn't remain in our control, then it will produce woman vyapad, which are really serious as compared to other panchakarma. So this is my logic about pranohi udanangataha. You can have your opinion, comments and suggestions also on this my logic about pran and udan. Thank you very much.